Alright, we're going to start off taking off these screws right here for your cylinder adjustments. Now you're going to want to pop this lever off the back here. And we'll just pull it off and let it hang there. We don't need to detach it from here at all. Okay. Now, next thing we're going to come up here and flip it around. We're going to have to remove the cylinders from the mechanism. So we'll get our pipe wrench. Remove the base, set that aside. Take the clamshell bottom off. I'm going to now need to remove the arms. Simply just pull one off. Same thing on the other side. Now we're going to remove this cylinder adjustment. It's just these two screws, Phillips. Got to kind of wiggle it out of there. Now we're going to grab the new one. Go ahead and replace this right away. Make sure you line up the two screw holes. And you just need to snug them a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and put our arms back on. Flip that around. Make sure when you're replacing this piece, this side goes in towards the mechanism. And we're going to slide this right back on, just like that. Same thing for the other side. That piece goes in towards the mechanism. Just slide right on there. And make sure your other arm is in line. Okay, now we're going to grab our base. Before that, we'll reinstall the clamshell. Okay, now we're going to put the base on. Go ahead and just set it in there and take a rubber mallet. Give it a good couple taps to make sure it seats. Now you can go ahead and flip the chair back over. And we're going to reinstall this piece. When you're putting this in, make sure this tab seeds in right here up top. Just like that. We'll grab our two screws. reinstall these. These just need to be snug as well, not too tight. And do not forget the button for the adjustment on the cylinder. And that just simply slides back on into that slot. And it should snap when you get it back on.